Foundations Unit 6 test. We're going to begin with sounds. You will listen to one video that tells you all 5 sounds to type. You will type each sound in its own answer box. Sound number 1. Write the letter that makes the U sound in mule. U. Write the letters that make the U sound in mule. Sound number 2. Write the letters that make the IV sound in give. IV. Sound number 3. Type the letter or letters that make the E sound in Pete. E. Sound number 4. Write the letter or letters that make the OO sound in rule. OO. Number 5. There are 2 ways to make the Z sound, like in rings and stinks. Write the 2 ways to make the Z sound.